Ona gutuika maritwa mama minister amure ni magatemanio giikaro-ini kia miaraho rucio thiini wa bunge. Mutongoria wa aria aingi bunge-ini ya bururi Adan Duale oigite abunge makamiaririria muthenya wa gatatu. Kuringana na Duale, muthenya wa rucio ugakorwo wi wa kuhitukia maritwa ma amemba a kamiti iria ithondeka kalenda ya bunge. Ona gutuika ndumiriri iroiga kamiti ya guthurima ni itikiranitie na maritwa mothe kenda, Duale ni aregire kuhithuria ndeto iyo.
I will table the report tomorrow afternoon. I will also give notice of motion for that report tomorrow afternoon. And at the same time, I will ask for an extension of 2 days for the House to consider, because of the fact that the 14-day period as provided for in the Act is coming to an end tomorrow afternoon.
Ihinda-ini riu Duale ni oigite kamiti itiganite cia bunge kiumia giki ni ikwambiriria guthurima maritwa ma andiki akaru 10 na mabaruthi 8 aria mendekithitio ni President Uhuru Kenyatta.
You know, I met one of I won't say his name, but one of the top.
Duale ni atitirithitie Jubilee ndiramakio ni mikana ya ihinda kwa ihinda ya bunge ya NASA ya kugomera cikaro cia bunge.
This is an opposition which has no head and has no tail, both in the House and outside. But this is an opposition which has taken its seats as a minority in the legislature.
Oho Duale ni ahithuritie mitaratara ya watho iria bunge igwikirira kinyi kwambiriria muthenya wa rucio.
We must set the legislative agenda for 2018, because this is a new year, and we have new chairs of various committees from our party. We have various bills which are at various stages. The cybercrime bill.
Macio magithiaga na mbere, Duale ni oigite minister wa kigina Henry Rotich muthenya wa gatatu ni erigirirwo gutemania mbere ya bunge matanya ma bajeti ya mwaka wa 2018-2019 niguo marorwo ni bunge. Mbere ya bunge gucokereria cikaro ciayo mathaa ma miaraho, abunge a Jubilee ni merigirirwo kugia na giikaro na President Uhuru Kenyatta thingira-ini wa iregi mathaa ma kiroko. Hamwe na maundu maria abunge a Jubilee merigirirwo kwaririria giikaro-ini kiao thingira-ini wa iregi muthenya wa rucio ni muthenya uria President Uhuru Kenyatta agoka bunge niguo athathaurire abunge agenda ya thirikari yake. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.